how to buy GUNZ token. So this token came under the symbol of GUN, G-U-N. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So how to buy this token on MEXC account? Now first of all, open your MEXC account like that. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in description and you will be able to find referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do in the search bar, just type the token name as you can see. Now click on this referral link and wait a few seconds to be able to load this page. Now you need to wait 1 day to be able to trade this token on MEXC. So after that, what you need to do, click on limit and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click here on buy GUN. Now if you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy GUN. So this is how to buy GUN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.